Hi, and welcome to the Espresso English podcast, where you can improve your English in just a few minutes a day. My name is Shayna, and I'm the teacher at Espresso English. Make sure to visit the website espressoenglish.net, where you can get online courses and ebooks that will help you learn English even faster. Let's get started with today's lesson.
Binomials are expressions with two words joined by a conjunction, like rock and roll, more or less, and step by step. The order of the words in the expression is fixed, so we can't say roll and rock or less or more. In this lesson, you'll learn 10 common binomial expressions in English, and you can download a free PDF of today's lesson text when you click on the link in the video description. Number 1, pros and cons. This refers to the advantages, pros, and disadvantages, cons, of something. For example, what are the pros and cons of moving from the countryside to the city? Number 2, sick and tired. When you are extremely annoyed or frustrated with a person or situation, when you are at the point when you will not tolerate the situation anymore, and you might get angry or lose your patience. You could say, I'm sick and tired of working long hours for such little pay. I'm gonna quit my job. Number 3, short and sweet. When something is very quick and gets directly to the point, it is no longer than it needs to be. In other words, it doesn't waste time. Her presentation was short and sweet. She gave a great overview of the topic in just 15 minutes. Like my English lessons, which are always short and sweet, teaching you lots of English in little time. Number 4, odds and ends. These are various small, unimportant, inexpensive items. For example, I need to clean out my desk. The drawers are full of odds and ends. In addition to physical objects, this expression can also be used for miscellaneous tasks or pieces of information. For example, John's still at work, taking care of a few odds and ends before leaving for the day. Number 5, back and forth, means moving first in one direction and then in the other. For example, the bus runs back and forth from the airport to the train station. The distance of this movement doesn't need to be large. For example, you can say, the boys threw the basketball back and forth. Number 6, by and large. This means in general or usually. For example, there are a couple things I don't like about my neighborhood, but by and large, it's a nice place to live. Number 7, wear and tear. This refers to the damage to something that happens gradually over time from regularly using it. For example, I'm selling my cell phone. Although it has a bit of wear and tear, it works perfectly. Number 8, safe and sound, means not in danger and not injured in any way. For example, we were worried when our dog went missing for a week. Luckily, we found him safe and sound in the park. Number 9, sooner or later. This means something will definitely happen, although we don't know exactly when. For example, we're all going to die sooner or later. Number 10, ups and downs. This refers to alternating periods of things going well and things going badly. For example, there have been a lot of ups and downs during our 30 years of marriage. Everyday English is full of expressions like these. If you want to learn the phrases that native English speakers use, come join my Everyday English Speaking courses. You'll learn from conversations and improve your speaking skills. Click on the link in the description or visit espressoenglish.net. That's all for now. Make sure to download your free PDF to review the binomials we learned today.
If you want more great English lessons, visit espressoenglish.net, where you can sign up by email to receive a free ebook with 500 plus real English phrases. You'll also find online courses to help you improve your English fast, even if you don't have much time to study. Keep practicing your English, and I hope you have a wonderful day.